Hey y'all, welcome to this short introduction to the new sentence box inside of CoughDrop. We've spent a lot of time working with a lot of you, gathering feedback, and trying to figure out what features we can add to the sentence box that will help the most people and make the most difference. So there are also some short videos that will show off each feature by itself, but I want to just go through in general the whole thing so people get an idea of what we've done and what we've worked on. Also remember, CoughDrop is the same app whether you use it in a web browser, on your iPad, or Android, your phone, or your tablet. You can use it when you have a web connection, but if you're offline, it also works just fine. So the sentence menu inside of CoughDrop is this little drop down. You can hit that, and you can see there's all these new options that are here available. You've always been able to save phrases and reuse them, which you can still do inside of CoughDrop, but there's a bunch of other stuff you can do as well. So let's go ahead and show you what all the new options are. All right, let's build a sentence real quick. This is using Quick Core 24, one of our more basic vocabulary sets, but there's a whole range you can use. And let's show you what we can do with it. So you can still save phrases just like you could before. You can hold that thought and restore it, but there's a bunch of other options we have now as well. You can share the phrases that you've created, so you can actually add contacts, whether it's an email address or a cell phone number, and then you can send a message to those people, and it will text them or email them, however they get it. Now the interesting part of that is that they'll get a link so they can reply to those messages. So once you send them a message, and they reply to it, it'll show up as this little badge as an alert. So you can see the things that people have responded to you with. And then you can reply here in line or just read the message however you'd like to do it. We have this repeat section now, so you can repeat the phrase again, louder or quieter. You can share it as a button. This is valuable for eye gaze users and for users that have a hard time hitting a target. When you work really hard on putting a phrase or a sentence together and you want to make it easy to be used and repeated, we can go ahead and throw it on a large target that the individual can activate more easily when the time is right. You can also flip the text. So when you want to be able to show it to the person in front of you, you can go ahead and just flip it real quick and show them the text that you've put together so they can read it themselves. We already looked at alerts. Phrases is a section where you can create these quick phrases that you want easy access to. You can also record things in a journal, so as you build up these phrases, you can record them there and they'll get saved so you can access them later in your logs. And you can also create additional categories of phrases so you can organize all the things that you want to be able to say quickly and effectively. The last option is to be able to save a phrase. You hit remember this and it'll get added to those quick phrases, or hold thought, which will just temporarily hold a phrase so you can get access to it easier. Now you can actually automatically do that. If, for example, you're in the middle of saying something and somebody asks you a question, you can hit one of your saved phrases.
Give me a minute to reply.
Give me a minute to reply. And go ahead and craft your reply that you have for him. And then CoughDrop has automatically saved the thing you were working on before. So you just hit resume and you can continue where you left off and you haven't lost any of the stuff that you were working on. So all these features are based on feedback from our customers and people that have used CoughDrop, things that they're hoping for or things that we feel like can benefit a lot of different users. We're really excited to put them all together in this sentence box. If you have thoughts or suggestions, we always love to hear them, and we're always trying to make things better. So thanks and have a great day.